College, a whirlwind of new experiences, friendships, and opportunities. It's also a time of immense pressure and unique challenges. Stepping onto campus, we're met with high expectations, demanding workloads, and the constant need to succeed. It's no wonder that anxiety has become a prevalent theme in the college experience. Many students struggle silently, feeling overwhelmed and alone. The pressure to excel academically, navigate social situations, and plan for the future can feel insurmountable. It's easy to get caught in the whirlwind of deadlines, exams, and the fear of not measuring up. But what if I told you that there's a simple, accessible tool that can help alleviate stress and unlock your full potential? Lofi's chill vibes might be the secret weapon for focus and calm, despite seeming too good to be true. Mellow beats and calming melodies define this genre, surprisingly effective for anxiety and focus. Join me as we explore the transformative power of lo-fi music and how it can help you navigate the challenges of college life with greater ease and success. College is often romanticized as the best years of our lives, but the reality is far more nuanced. Statistics paint a stark picture of the mental health crisis brewing on campuses nationwide. According to the American College Health Association, over 60% of college students reported experiencing overwhelming anxiety in the past year. These numbers are alarming and highlight the urgent need for accessible and effective mental health resources for students. The sources of this widespread anxiety are multifaceted. Academic pressure, financial burdens, social anxieties, and the uncertainties of the future all contribute to the emotional weight carried by many students. The competitive nature of higher education can fuel a constant need to prove oneself, leading to sleepless nights, racing thoughts, and a persistent fear of failure. It's crucial to remember that you are not alone in this experience. Anxiety is a natural human response to stress, and it's important to destigmatize mental health challenges and encourage open conversations about these issues. Recognizing the prevalence of anxiety among college students is the first step towards creating a more supportive and understanding environment where students feel empowered to seek help and prioritize their well-being. I vividly recall my own struggles with anxiety during my college years. The pressure to excel in my demanding pre-med courses was immense, and I often found myself overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information I needed to absorb. Late nights spent hunched over textbooks fueled by caffeine and a growing sense of panic became the norm. My mind would race, my thoughts scattered, and my ability to focus dwindled with each passing hour. One particularly stressful evening, as I sat wrestling with a particularly challenging organic chemistry concept, I stumbled upon a YouTube channel dedicated to lo-fi music. Intrigued by the promise of chill beats to study and relax to, I decided to give it a try. As the smooth instrumental melodies filled my ears, something shifted within me. My tense muscles began to relax, my breathing slowed, and the constant chatter in my mind quieted. For the first time in weeks, I felt a sense of calm wash over me. My focus sharpened, and I found myself able to engage with the material in a way I hadn't thought possible. The music seemed to create a sonic sanctuary, blocking out distractions and allowing my mind to fully immerse itself in the task at hand. That night, I experienced the power of lo-fi music firsthand, and it sparked a fascination with understanding the science behind its seemingly magical effects. Lo-fi music, short for low fidelity, is characterized by its deliberate use of imperfections and sonic textures that evoke a sense of nostalgia and comfort. The genre often incorporates elements of jazz, hip-hop, and electronic music, creating a unique soundscape that is both familiar and intriguing. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, lo-fi music possesses inherent qualities that contribute to its anxiety-reducing and focus-enhancing effects. The repetitive nature of lo-fi beats can help regulate brainwave activity, inducing a state of relaxation and calm. Research has shown that listening to music with a slow and steady tempo can slow down heart rate and breathing, triggering a physiological relaxation response. This calming effect can be particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing anxiety, as it helps to counteract the body's stress response. Furthermore, the instrumental nature of lo-fi music minimizes distractions and promotes focus. Unlike music with lyrics, which can compete for attentional resources, lo-fi's instrumental melodies provide a subtle auditory backdrop that can help to block out external noise and internal chatter. This allows the mind to focus more intently on the task at hand, whether it's studying, working, or simply relaxing. The combination of relaxation and focus that lo-fi music facilitates makes it a powerful tool for managing anxiety and enhancing productivity. By understanding the scientific underpinnings of these effects, we can appreciate the profound impact that something as simple as listening to music can have on our mental well-being.